Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm sharing 15 amazing Amazon products for home, comfort, and everyday use. These items are super useful and trending right now. All buy links are in the description. Let's get started. First on our list are the CNGLASS large glass coffee mugs. These mugs are made from thick, high-quality glass and are perfect for coffee, tea, or even hot chocolate. They have a clean, modern look and a comfortable handle that feels great in your hand. If you love oversized mugs and want something stylish yet durable for everyday use, this is a great pick. You'll find the buy link in the description. Next up is the glass saucepan with cover. This saucepan lets you clearly see your food while cooking, so there's no guesswork. It's great for soups, noodles, sauces, and everyday cooking. The glass design looks clean and modern, and it's easy to wash after use. If you want a simple and practical cooking essential, this one is worth checking out. Link is in the description. Next is the Vekkia King Bed Wedge Pillow. This pillow is designed to give proper back and neck support while reading, watching TV, or resting in bed. It helps improve comfort and posture, especially during long sitting hours. The size is perfect for a king bed, and the material feels soft yet supportive. If comfort is your priority, this pillow is a great choice. Next up is the MAXYOYO folding sofa bed. This is a smart space-saving option that easily converts from a sofa into a comfortable bed. It's perfect for small rooms, guests, or just relaxing while watching TV. The cushioning is soft yet supportive, making it great for everyday use. If you want flexibility and comfort in one product, this is a solid pick. Link is in the description. Next is the HAMITOR Corner Shower Caddy Tension Pole. This organizer fits neatly into the corner of your shower and gives you plenty of space for shampoo, soap, and other essentials. It uses a tension pole design, so there's no drilling or damage to your bathroom walls. It's adjustable, sturdy, and helps keep everything clean and organized. If you want a clutter-free shower setup, this is a great choice. Next up is the ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser. This diffuser helps create a calm and relaxing atmosphere in your home, with a fine mist and soft lighting. It's great for aromatherapy, meditation, or just unwinding after a long day. The design looks modern and blends easily with any room decor. If you enjoy a peaceful and fresh environment, this diffuser is a great addition. Next is the greenoak electric heated blanket, perfect for staying warm and cozy on cold nights. Link is in the description. Next up is the SINWANT couch arm tray. This tray fits securely over your sofa arm and gives you a stable surface for drinks, snacks, phones, or remotes. It helps keep everything within reach while relaxing on the couch. Next is the DRECELL Handheld Vacuum. This handheld vacuum is lightweight and cordless, making it easy to use anywhere. It's great for cleaning crumbs, dust, and pet hair from sofas, cars, and tight spaces. The strong suction helps you clean quickly without any effort. If you want a simple and powerful solution for everyday messes, this vacuum is a smart pick. Next up is the TABYIK Small Dehumidifier. This compact dehumidifier helps reduce excess moisture in small rooms, closets, or bathrooms. It helps keep the air fresh and prevents damp smells and mold buildup. The size is perfect for everyday use and it's easy to place anywhere. If you want a simple way to improve air quality at home, this is a great option. Next is the OMOTON Reading Pillow for Lap Desk. This pillow provides comfortable support while using a laptop, reading, or working from bed or the couch. It helps reduce strain on your arms and wrists during long use. The soft yet supportive design makes everyday tasks more comfortable. If you spend a lot of time working or reading at home, this pillow is a great choice. Next up is the Hitseon Handy Silicone Bamboo Couch Caddy. This couch caddy sits right next to you and keeps drinks, snacks, phones, and remotes neatly organized. The combination of silicone and bamboo gives it a modern look and a non-slip grip. It's easy to clean and perfect for everyday use on the sofa or bed. If you like keeping everything in one place while relaxing, this is a very useful item. Link is in the description. Next is the Afloria Air Purifier. This air purifier helps reduce dust, pollen, smoke, and other airborne particles, keeping your indoor air clean and fresh. It's ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or office spaces. The quiet operation and sleek design make it perfect for everyday use. If you're looking for an easy way to improve air quality at home, this purifier is a great option. Next up is the Chefman Fry Guy Deep Fryer. This compact deep fryer is perfect for making crispy snacks and fried foods at home. It heats up quickly and is easy to use, even for beginners. The small size makes it great for kitchens with limited space. If you enjoy homemade fried food without the hassle, this fryer is a great pick. Next is the Bunyta Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer. It keeps food fresh longer and makes sealing quick and easy. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment your favorite product.